Welcome to CRT Services. This tutorial will go over how to use security files in the online mode and how to add users. Open Flow-Xpress. When opened, in the upper right-hand corner, select Online Mode. In the upper left-hand corner, select Connect to Device. This will bring up the normal interface for connecting to a FlowX. Enter your IP, hit Next, and you may or may not be prompted for the user ID to get in. When this comes up, you'll be presented with both the parameters and security. Click on Security. Now, hitting the small folder in the center, you can load a previously created security file or a standard security file. When you open the security file up, FlowXpress will look at what's currently installed on the unit and what the changes or the differences are between them. You can write all the changes down to the device, and this will write the whole file down. There's no restart that's needed to do this. To add a single user, click on New User, type in the username, the full name that will show up in the audit trail, the security level that the user should have. In the center, click on Set Password. If a password is required, enter it and then repeat the password. And if a PIN number is needed for entry to the front panel of the FlowX on the LCD display, enter at least a 6-digit number and re-enter that to confirm. Now a single user is written down to the Flow computer by hitting Writing All Changes to Device. When it opens back up, the new user will be up top. To delete a user, select the user, hit the red X button. It'll ask for confirmation. Down the bottom, you'll be able to click on it and write all changes or cancel changes to the device. To save the new security file, hit the Save icon, select where you would like it saved, type in a file name, and then hit the Save button. This file then can be imported to other Flow computers or imported to a primary application. For more training videos, you can visit us on our YouTube channel at CRT-Services or our website at crt-services.com.